Hello children, I welcome you all to class 4 social studies. Now let's study about the coastal plains and islands. This is your 7th chapter. And in the earlier class, you have learned about the definition of coastal plains, eastern coastal plains, and it is divided into 3 sections, that is Utkal plains, Tamil Nadu plains and Andhra plains. And I have explained in detail about Odisha and Puducherry states. Now let's recap with the map. In the earlier class, we learnt about what do you mean by coast. Coast is a flat area of land situated adjacent to a water body like sea or ocean. It is called as coastal plain. You can see this black line on the map. This is the coastal plain area which is situated adjacent to the water body. Blue color is the water bodies. You can see here. This is the water body and this black line indicates the coastal plain. The coastal plains are divided as eastern coastal plain and the western coastal plain. It is divided into 3 divisions. First one, Utkal plains, and second one, Andhra plains and Tamil Nadu plains. And I have explained you about in detail about the state of Odisha and Puducherry. As you know children, the coastal plains are divided into 2. First one is eastern coastal plain which we have looked at. Now let's study about the western coastal plain. So children, western coastal plain, it is the thin strip of land that extends from Gujarat on the north to Kerala on the south. This is the land which extends from Gujarat to Kerala, which is in this way from Gujarat to Kerala. This thin strip of land is called as the western coastal plain and its width is 50 kilometers and it lies between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. You know children, India is a peninsula which is bordered by 3 water bodies. So here we have, this side we have Arabian Sea. So western coastal plains lies between Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. It is in between these 2 things, that is Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. So it starts from Gujarat to Kerala and it extends through the states of Maharashtra, Goa and Karnataka. And the last one is Kerala and the first one is Gujarat. I have explained it before only. So it extends through total of 5 states. First one Gujarat, then Maharashtra, then Goa and Karnataka, and the last one is Kerala. So these are the states which coastal plains extends. Now let's see, the plains are divided into 3 sections. First one is the Konkan coast in the north, the Malabar coast in the south and the Gulf of Cambodge, Cambay and Kutch, which is in the northernmost side of the India. And this region is also called as Kathiawar. And the rivers flowing in this are Narmada, Tapti, Mandovi and Zuari. These are the rivers which flow in this western coastal plains and then enter to the Arabian Sea. So these are the 3 sections. First one is Konkan coast which is in the north side and the Malabar coast which is in the south side and the Gulf of Cambodge which is located in Gujarat. It's also called as Cambay and Kutch. It is, and this region is called as Kathiawar also. These are the rivers Narmada, Tapti, Mandovi and Zuari which flows in these western coastal plains. So now I will show you the map and I explain.
Now let's see of the western coastal plains. The thin strip of land that extends from Gujarat on the north to Kerala on the south is called the western coastal plain. From Gujarat to Kerala is called as the western coastal plain. The width of this land is 50 kilometers. It lies between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. This is the Arabian Sea, and it is in between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. It includes the states of Maharashtra, Goa and Karnataka, and it's divided into three sections: the Konkan coast on the north and Malabar coast on the south, and the Gulf of Khambat or Cambay and Kutch on the northernmost of India. The region is also called as Kathiawar. Major rivers flowing are Narmada, Tapti, Mandovi and Zuari. Lagoons is a body of shallow sea water separated from the sea by some form of barriers, or kayals also it is called, as they are locally called, are found along the Malabar coast.
So children, in western coastal plain, first state we will study about Gujarat. So Gujarat borders Rajasthan and Pakistan in the northeast, Madhya Pradesh in the east, Maharashtra and Indian territories, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu. These are the union territories and which are bordered to this Gujarat state. And language, and even Kutchi is also the language which the local people means the people who are living in that region, Kutch region, they speak Kutchi language. And Mahatma Gandhi, father of our nation, belongs to this state only. So he was born in this state, Mahatma Gandhi. And the traditional dress of women is chaniya choli, and whereas of men is hedia. Along with this, the youth wear western outfits, and women also wear saris or shalwar kameez, and men wear dhotis and kurtas. So now let's study about the festivals celebrated in Gujarat. Children, as you know, most of the people living in Gujarat are Hindus. So almost all the Hindu festivals like Makara Sankranti, Janmashtami, Holi, Diwali, these all are celebrated along with Navaratri. Navaratri is a colorful festival which is celebrated in Gujarat, where both men and women of Gujarat perform Gujarati folk dance, that is Garba. And the traditional kite festival which is celebrated on Makara Sankranti every year is held in Gujarat. Ahmedabad, pronounced as Ahmedabad, is situated on the banks of the river Sabarmati, and it is the biggest city in Gujarat. Sabarmati Ashram, it is one of the houses of Mahatma Gandhi, is located in the outskirts of Gujarat, means which is located in the out of the city in Gujarat, Sabarmati Ashram. And Surat, Vadodara, Rajkot, these are the cities, major cities which are located in Gujarat. Surat, Vadodara and Rajkot, these are the major cities. And now let's study about the tourist places. Gir Forest Reserve, which is famous for Asiatic lions, is located here, and it is also well known for its temples. Somnath Temple in Saurashtra, Dwarkadish Temple in Dwarka, and Sun Temple in Modhera. These are the places where pilgrimage people visit to these places. It's famous for its temples. Somnath Temple in Saurashtra, Dwarkadish Temple in Dwarka, and Sun Temple in Modhera. These are the three temples which are very famous in India also. So these are located in Gujarat. Till now we have studied about western coastal plains and about the state of Gujarat. In the next session I will explain you about Kerala, Goa and Daman and Diu and the two islands. Till then, take care. Thank you.